Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is MF Dividend Stocks. I'm your host, Joe, and it's been an amazing 18 days with you guys. It's crazy. Today is April 18th. You'll be seeing this on it was 17th. This is midnight. So it was the 17th, but you'll be seeing this later today on the 18th. Oh, boy. All right, real quick. I did it. I sold the stock. It's kind of like in the same lines of Microsoft, but it's my biggest stock that I had. So let's get into this just real quick. I want to go over a couple things. I want to thank you guys for the subscribers. 21 subscribers. That is ridiculous. I know it sounds stupid to some people, but if you start in 18 days with like nobody really out there and you're just trying to put out videos, and I think I put 10 videos out so far. This is probably number 11. And for people to find them, people to watch them, people to like them, people to comment, people to subscribe, that is so freaking awesome. Thank you guys so much. So shout yourselves out. If you're a subscriber, leave a like on this video if you're watching this video right now. It's only been 18 days. Don't tell me you forgot about me already. So if you're watching this, maybe hit the like button for yourself. It'll help share the video, so it'll help me out too. And if you guys like me, then yes, share the video. All right, 21 subscribers. Amazing. I just can't thank you enough. All right, we're doing great. If you're new here, like the video because you're new and subscribe because you're new. Help me get to 22 today. That'll be amazing. Thank you so much for even thinking about it or considering it. All right, next thing. This is going to be quick. Twitter page, MF Dividend Stocks. Link is below. If you want to follow me, give me ideas when you want me to post. I don't know if you want me to just say random stuff or things I'm thinking about. Might do something like that. I'm not really sure. Okay. We'll leave it on here for a second before we go to Robinhood. Now, I want to do one thing for you guys since you've been doing great for me. And the one thing I was thinking about is upgrading my microphone right now. There's a couple other things I want to get for my camera, but they're a little more expensive. The microphone, I really want to put money in stocks, but I figured since it's been such a good beginning, I'll get a new mic because to me my audio don't sound great. Let me know if you agree. You don't have to trash me. You don't have to big me up. Like, if it's just okay, just say it's okay. If I need an upgrade, just say I should get an upgrade. If you want to trash it, try whatever. But we got 2 followers. I'm following 5 people. I think it's all like cryptocurrency people and Robinhood. I gotta follow more people. But let me know. That's what I'm going to do for you. And then after that, I'm going to get the video set up. There's like 2 things I have to get for the video camera. I got a Panasonic Lumix G7. It's a pretty good camera. It even shoots at 4K. So I think we're not going to have a problem. But I want to get a shotgun mic for that. And then I want to get like a light or something. So, I haven't done YouTube in a while. So some of the stuff I got rid of, I always knew I was going to go back, but I'm not really sure. All right. Thank you again. Let's go. Okay. Right here, you can see. Real quick tip. I thought I should do this for you guys. What I do is like, if I have, these are my stocks that I'm locked into right now, right? I go to total return. And this is where I start thinking about like everything over Coke, KO, everything over that. That's like my zone right now. These things, I'm hoping like Carnival, we'll see what happens with that. New York Mortgage Trust, I think that is, Camp Hertz, Groupon. Those are all little projects for like double your money thing. If you want to see that, just look back at the channel. There's only like 10, 11 videos altogether. So you can find it pretty easy if you want to see double your money challenge. I'll explain that more there. Just because I'm trying to make the videos a little bit shorter for you guys. I appreciate the watch time. It's been great. Thank you. Just want to appreciate it. All right. So these are the shares that I got right here. I look on here and I say, oh, Ford's going. So I'll look into that. It's a little low. Buy the dips. Wells Fargo. Let me look into that, see what's going on. Decide to buy the dips and that. That's a little tip on how I do it with Robinhood. I'm pretty sure it's not like a math genius. You don't want to buy when it's in the green and going up. If you are consistently like putting money in to buy shares of the groups that you want, yeah. But if you can take advantage of something like this is down a little bit, I believe in it long term. Banks are hopefully will come back. I hope Wells Fargo don't go out of business, but that's what I believe. I believe it's going to be around. So I'll buy a few more shares of this because this is down right now. with my money. Or maybe if I really believed in Ford, I would buy more, because this could double their money easily with that last price. Okay, so we got like 2 more things to go over. Let's go to my account. I messed up the video before, so I was able to look at this. All it is says my name. So, all right. So where that just happened? It wasn't that long ago. All right, I sold the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Sold it for $256. I got it all the way down here just for proof. Where is it? $232. So I made some profits on it. I made like $42.52. I made like 20 something dollars off it. Is that what it said? Yeah, I made like $24 off it. So I'm happy with that. Yes, it can go to 300. But I'm thinking I could do better with that money. Like, I think I could do better with the Microsoft money. For dividends, the kickoff, I know that's a good thing to get. This is for the 1 year. For the rest of this year, for the plan, I think it's better if I put those in the other funds so my dividends get higher fast. I'm not chasing dividends. I'm chasing a jump start. ETFs are a little bit slower. They're solider. But everything has their place. But in year 1, when I'm trying to make the most I can in dividends, say, or the most growth, because this is like a growth dividend area because everything's down. So I don't want to buy like $250 is all I got. I got one stock that could go to 300. Or say I can get a Ford that I can buy, just if I believe in it, but I can buy $250 of Ford at $5, and that could go to 11 or 12. Where the Vanguard ETF will only go to 50. So for $250, I can do that, plus I get dividends. And I'll get more dividends, say, from Ford than I would from Vanguard, okay? Just a quick one. This is something from the last video when I just did this. Amazon, I got 2 shares of that at $47.55, and I think that already went up a little bit. GM, I was a little surprised at the score I saw on Simple, I forgot what it's called. Simply Safe Dividends. I think it's Simply Safe Dividends. I'm not sure. But I was surprised with the score with that, but we'll go over that in a little bit. I think things have changed because all car companies are in trouble. Like Ford cut his dividends. I'm just buying Ford little by little when I have leftover money once in a while. Just if they came back, maybe I can double my money in a year or 2 or whenever it takes. Really the income. This is ticker sign O. $102. I bought 2 shares for $51. This is very risky. The realty income is very risky, but I'm going for it. I don't care. I want to be in there. I'm in it to win it right now. And I try to get into the GM stock if it dropped below 19, because that's all I had in buying power. But that didn't work. All right, so let's go to Simply Safe. All right, now in Simply Safe dividends. This is the end plan for 2020. I adjusted this to see so you can see right now what's going on. And I got a couple extra things. Right now we're at $57 a year with $11.76 because there's some of those stocks that I told you that are in the Robinhood profile that we're not using in this plan. Those are the double and maybe buy more stocks. So this is the plan how it sits right now. Dividend growth 7% over the last 5 years, 4.87 yield, which I have plans to do other things. So we're still missing TD Bank in here, and I added like 2 more stocks. So stay tuned. All right. So with those stocks, it got me. I got Emerson in there with 2 stocks. It's gonna be $4 a year. That's not bad. 78 score, 89 score for Comcast. That didn't change at all. So we got Ford with 6. That's nothing down the line because they cut their dividends. But like I said, I'm just throwing it in there. GM got 2 stocks. This dropped to a 40, so it's unsafe now. I could have sworn in the other video it wasn't unsafe. Tell me if I was wrong, because I don't remember seeing it like that. It could have been a little bit higher. Maybe it was safe or unsure, but I don't think I had nothing lower than like a 65. But we'll see. $3, which I know this thing adjusts. That's why it's saying now. It's saying it's a little safe. We got Coke at $2. There's only 1 stock, 2 stocks of GM. Oh, Realtor. This is the one that's a little bit of risk, but it's saying it's very safe. $6. HPSD. We got HPHD. Right? SPHD. Did I say that right? 6 stocks, going really good. There's no safety score for this because it's an ETF, and that's $11. So that's already giving me like $1 a day, $1 a month, I'm sorry, because this is every one. So we need to get a couple more of these so I can start getting at least $1 a month. T's AT&T, $4. We got 2 of those so far. TD Bank, I need to get a couple of those. I gotta look back in the video and set this thing back up how it was. But I'm thinking supposed to have 10 or 20 of these or something. With the new plan, with this one and this one, VTR, this one was gonna look pretty good. This was gonna help boost it up to a higher yield. And with Wells Fargo, that one's looking good. We got 10. I know it's down a little bit, but that means we got more time to buy. So we got one risky one in GM, which is, you know, like Ford cut their dividends, so at least GM is still there. I don't know, maybe it's showing they still got them, but maybe they're in danger now. I'm going to take the risk. This is for the long term. I think companies like Ford and GM will still be around. If I don't get dividends in the first year, it's fine. But I added BTR and I think there was something else I added. Unless I already said it. But not to go too crazy. So right now, when you look at my thing, every month I'm getting 328, 328, 328. That's how it goes. All right. So it looks pretty good for me. I'm not complaining about it. If you look at them upcoming ones, we got Comcast $1.84. TD Bank is 0 because I have nothing in there yet. But AT&T is gonna give me $1.04, and Realty Income's gonna give me 47 cents. That's pretty cool. It tells you per share is 23, 52, 56. And 23, so not that bad. I cannot complain. All right, so that's the setup. I wish I had the other plan to show you the differences, but with the new one, I think that it's got me at 638, if I don't mistaken. It's over 500 now, and we're at just over 10,000. We took a couple more stocks that have a little more of a risk. This is like a little more risky because it's 50. Wells Fargo's 55, but yeah, so Wells Fargo was my lowest one, I think. Wells Fargo's was 55, and that was borderline. Maybe this was borderline. They just dropped it on safe. But as they go, we're looking all right, and we got our risk down here. AT&T, it's definitely a little risky, but it's a solid company, so we're going with that. Wells Fargo is a little risky, but it's high yield, so the high yield ones we gotta hop on a little bit. We got a high yield here. As soon as we get some stuff in there, it's $31. We can get some stuff in there quick. GM, it's got a decent yield too. And it's all the risky ones, except for these. This is so risky, it's gone. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Don't forget, there's gonna be a video out Sunday too. It's gonna be a little bit of a video weekend for you guys, and we're gonna be back on Tuesday after that. So remember, we got Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, and then sometime Wednesday and Saturdays I'll throw something in if I can. I'm pretty sure Monday is going to be nothing. I'm going to take it off Monday, definitely. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Peace. Yeah.